Okay, question 4. We need to find f of x. They're giving us the derivative of f of x, and they also tell us the f of 1. So when we get our function, we know that f of 1 equals 3. I like this question. This information will help us work out what the c is, right? So if we know a derivative, right, we know the integral of the derivative would get us back to the function. Right? So we could write this statement. The integral of x squared minus 3x plus 2 dx will equal the function, right? Although there'll be a constant there, potentially. So I won't write that. Let's just go to the integral. We're going to say x to the power of 3 divided by 3. The next thing we've got is 3x. So we've got our minus 3 constant. We're adding 1 to the power. There we've got plus 2x when we find the antiderivative of 2. And then there's a constant. Right? So there's f of x. Pretty straightforward, if the integral of a derivative is the function, right? The only problem is the function could have had a constant in it, and that information will have been lost. In this question, we can figure out what the constant must have been because we know a point on the function, right? So we know that f of 1 equals 3. And if I put 1 into here, what happens? I'm going to get a third times 1 cubed minus 3 on 2 times 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus some constant, and it's all got to equal 3. Right? So here I'll have a third. Here I'm going to have 1 squared is 1, so minus 3 on 2. Now I've got plus 2. Fractions, that's annoying. Let's go for common denominators of sixths, I think. So 1/3, 2/6, 3 on 2, that'll be 9/6. 2, I'll put that into sixths as well, I think. So it'll be 12/6. Just so I can collect all this. The 3 will be 18/6. Okay. I'll work out what c has to be. If we've got 14 minus 9, we've got 5/6. Plus c has to get us up to 18/6. So c will have to be 13/6. Right? Running out of room. C equals 13/6, or you could say 2 1/6. Right? So now you know the whole function. You come back in here and say that c value is plus 13/6. Okay. So nice question. Make sure you can do that.